Come with me to the Amalfi Coast, where we'll discuss 5 things to consider during your visit. Don't be in a rush. The Amalfi Coast is a place to slow down and savor the moment. Don't forget to bring cash. Many shops and restaurants in the Amalfi Coast may not accept credit cards. Don't drive if you're not comfortable with narrow, winding roads. It's best to use public transportation or hire a driver. Don't overpack. The Amalfi Coast is a place where you'll likely be walking up and down stairs and steep hills, so it's important to pack lightly and bring only what you need. If you have the time, don't skip the small towns. While the larger towns along the Amalfi Coast like Positano are popular tourist destinations, don't overlook the smaller towns like Ravello. These towns offer a more authentic and less crowded experience.